Dude, that has to be 13
Dude.
pounds. The hell is this?
What is going on?
Alright, so for our pack bait here, we have some breadcrumbs. Keep it simple. Some whole kernel corn. And usually I use cherry jello, but I didn't have any at hand, so today we're using this pineapple one. Hopefully they like it. Let's see what happens. Alright, so for the carp rig here, it's a Carolina rig with the bait cage. Pretty simple rig. So it's a Carolina with the modified. You put a bait cage and then you use a hair rig on the other side. Let me show you guys. I'm using a half fat ounce inline weight here. And then I tie that up to my cage here on the swivel side. And I always just use a polymer knot here. Simple, strong knot. You European guys probably have better knots for this, but this is a modified version. There we go. Okay. We have our hair rig here. Now we are going to connect this to our cage. And really, we don't want it too long. So now your rig is going to look like this, just a weight, bait cage, and a hair rig. Now we got to put some corn here on this hair. So you just use a hook, you bend out, straighten out a hook, and you just kind of put a whole bunch of kernels here on the shank of the hook. And what you're going to do is you're going to use this as a threader to put it on your hair rig. To put it on your hair rig. Like this. I'm putting extra. I probably won't fit all these on the hair rig, but sometimes when you pull them out past that barb, they tend to break off. So now you have your hair rig here. You just put this hair rig on the barb, and you just thread them on the hair rig like so, all the way back, like so, all the way back there, like so. Oh yeah, nice. This is actually working better than I thought it was. Oh, spoke too soon. Spoke too soon. Now, this part is crucial. You find yourself a small little twig, like so, and you poke it on through. You push the corn up on it like that, and that's your hair rig. After this, get your pack bait, get a healthy portion of it. Make sure your weight is by your cage so you can put your weight together with your cage and the bait, so the weight doesn't fly off. Like this. Make it into a ball like so. Like so. We'll see how this pineapple vanilla works. Then you get your hair rig. You get your hair rig and you bury it in there like so. You just bury it in there like so. And you leave what they call the pop-up Normally there'd be a boilie here, but we're doing corn today, so this would be a pop-up. And on impact, you'll lose most of this. It will disintegrate, and the carp will come, and this is a pop-up. It'll just pop this up, pop that hook into its mouth, and the way carp feed, they spit things out often. Oftentimes they're just sucking. They'll suck up a pebble and spit it out. When they feel that foreign object, that hook, they'll spit it out, and it actually hooks themselves. That's kind of how this works. Now let's get to casting. All right, attempt number 2. Magnificent. Oh, glorious. Glorious. All right. Oh, let's see who uses the duct tape today.